Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline styles, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS outline style with group value. Back to our document. In our previous tutorial we are having this where we discussed about the double value in our outline style. As you can see, this double outline right here. So I'm going to be showing you how we can change this to what? To group value. So back to our document. Right here where we are having this outline style, we can change this outline style property. We can change the value to what? To group. When we change this to group and save our document, let's go and reload and see what we got. As you can see, we are having this kind of group. Can you see it's looking like a 3D something? So you can see this is looking nice for us. So we can use this in our document anytime we want. So please practice this, because practice makes perfect. If you don't do it, nobody can do that for you. Let me do something so you can see what I'm using clearly, so you can see how it's looking also. Can you see? No, sorry. Yes, it's cool like this. It's cool like this. Let me just leave it in that manner first. Let me do this so you can see it clearly. I just want you guys to see this outline clearly so you guys can see, in case you want to use this in your document. See the way it's looking nice. Now let me change this. Let me take it out of here. Let me comment this one out, because I don't want to have it in our fit set element. Let me give it to our what? To our body element. This is our body element. I'm going to give this our body element group value. Let's save it and see how it looks also. Let's save it and see how it looks. When we reload our document, can you see we are having this group outline immediately after our border, after our red border. So the outline is the line you can find immediately after your border. So that's why you are able to see this immediately after our red border. So as you can see, this is looking nice. So we can use this in our document if we want. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Please try to practice, because practice makes perfect. Peace and love.